Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Fatfish was the world's first line of wide-bottom pop-up ice shelters designed to increase fishable area. The Eskimo Fatfish 949 and 949i offer ample room for up to 4 ice anglers. Both doors are secured by durable YKK zippers. Once inside, you'll have plenty of room for holes and gear with 61 square feet of fishable area. The flared-out bottom of the shelter increases floor space by 80% over comparable standard pop-up ice shelters. The Fatfish 949 stands 80 inches tall for extra headroom when setting your hooks. 2 gear pockets and larger mesh pockets are integrated into the walls for convenient storage. Eskimo incorporated larger 11mm fiberglass poles and all-metal ball and socket hubs into the framework. Popping out each side and then the roof takes less than a minute and creates an ultra-sturdy structure. Self-tapping ice anchors and tie-down ropes are included for extra security on windy days. The Fatfish 949 is covered in Eskimo's ice-tight fabric with a 59% higher thread count than the competition. The tighter weave helps repel wind and water and also reduces weight by 19%. The 949i features Eskimo's IQ insulated fabric constructed with 2 layers of ice-tight fabric welded together with insulation in between. This helps retain heat and reduce condensation. 6 large windows surround the shelter, offering clear views outside in all directions. They can be opened or fully removed. Collapsing and packing the Fatfish 949 is just as easy as setting it up. It can be transported and stored inside the included cinch bag and only weighs 27 pounds. As the originator of wide-bottom pop-up ice fishing shelters, you can trust Eskimo's quality and reliability. Fish with ease and comfort with the Fatfish 949 or 949i pop-up shelters today.
Parents, tired of looking for a comfortable sleeping solution for your kid's next sleepover? Introducing Kid-O-Bunk, the portable bunk bed for kids on the go. Invented by a dad, engineered by a son, the family-owned company Disco Bed, a proud supplier to the U.S. military and outdoor enthusiasts worldwide, is now offering families our patented kids version that's perfect for vacations, camping, family reunions, summer camps, or just about anywhere life may take you. Modular in design, the kid-friendly Kid-O-Bunk requires no tools or mattress and assembles in minutes. The compact, zippered carrying bag holds all parts and allows for easy transportation and quick storage. Kid-O-Bunk's handy accessories and unique design offers one solution with 3 very functional must-have options. In seconds, turn the bunk configuration into a bench, or even 2 single beds. Assembly is easy, even your kids can do it. Simply lock in disc to side rails, feed through the sleeved fabric, and secure to the end bed frame. To bunk, simply attach stack adapters and place one bed on the other. That's it! And best of all, Kid-O-Bunk quickly packs away, ready for your next adventure. So what are you waiting for? Get your very own Kid-O-Bunk today.
Hi everyone, I'm Andrew from Kite Army. Hello to new friends and to my old friends. You're gonna love what you get to see here today. I have this product that's called RinseKit. I got it because I'm a kiteboarder and I'm at the beach all the time. I've got sand all over my equipment. I need to wash myself down and wash my equipment down. Now, if you're a fisherman, it will be helpful. If you're into motorbikes, if you're into mountain biking, anything that you get really dirty and there's no shower available for you and you'd like to clean your equipment and clean yourself, this is an ideal product. It's called RinseKit. Now, I bought this online to replace a gravity-fed water shower that I had in the past. It's right here. Now you can see the nice thing about this product, it's really compact when you're not using it, but the bad thing about it is you're always trying to find a place in a tree to put it. Anyway, I'm going to talk to you about this RinseKit, tell you what I like about it and what I don't like about it, and then you can decide whether you want one for yourself. All right, what's amazing about this RinseKit box is it has no electricity, it's got no pumps, it just works by the pressure in your house or wherever you fill it from. Let me show you how to fill it. First of all, you release the nozzle that it comes with, turn that off. They have an adapter to connect to your house, connect it on there, turn the water on, open up the valve, you can hear the RinseKit filling. Once the RinseKit is full, you turn off your house water, your supply water, close the valve on the RinseKit, release it. Take it there, get your nozzle, put your nozzle on. What you're gonna do is you'll open up your valve, you'll see like that. Now stand back here a little bit so you can see. This is shower mode, okay? And here's jet. So it does have a remarkable amount of power in that box. One of the most common questions about the RinseKit is how much water can I get out of it? So I'm going to test that for you here today. Here my timer's at 0 and I'm going to start the test now. Okay.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast.
All right, so at this point the water's almost at a trickle. So at about 1 minute and 15 seconds on shower mode is the amount of water you'll get out of the RinseKit. If you've got a whole family to clean, that's gonna be like a complete insanity to get that done. But if you're just by yourself, you're cleaning off your surfboard gear, want to give yourself a little rinse, this is perfect. Let me summarize what I think about the RinseKit. Basically, for me, it's a great product. Is it a must-have? I don't think so. The thing is, it takes up a lot of space. It's in your garage when you're not using it. I kind of prefer my bag in a way. It is about $100, and I think there's some, this was a like a lock up top that had fallen off before I'd even used it. So all in all, I'd give it a kind of like on the fence review. I think it does what they say it's supposed to do, but is it something that everyone needs? I don't think so. Well, I hope you found that video informative. My name's Andrew, I'm from Kite Army. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you around real soon.